My Macy's box finally came in the mail and I am super excited to get into it. Lately, Macy's has been doing a thing. Like I've been very impressed with the items that I've gotten from Macy's. Let's see. I always forget how to open this box. All right. Everything kind of spilled out, but it should be fine. The first thing that I'm pulling out is the Confidence in a Gel Cream. And this is oil control and anti-aging armor. Who is this by? By It Cosmetics. And this is what it looks like. So itty bitty and cute. It does not come safety sealed. I will say that. I don't like when things are not safety sealed, but this is what it looks like. Let's get a little bit. This is what the consistency looks like. I'm not going to say what that looks like. Let me just rub this in. It almost feels like a watery cream. You know what I mean? Like you ever feel like those watery creams? It has like a typical skincare smell. I wouldn't say that it smells like anything super special, but it does it does smell like typical skincare. So, I mean, this is cute. It's for oily skin, which is really nice. So I'm excited to try that out because your girl's oily. Okay, I'm oily. All right, the next thing is by Bumble and Bumble, and this is the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Mask. Instantly infuse dry hair with moisture and nourishment. And this is what it looks like. Nice little squeezy tube. You'll probably get like 1 to 2 uses out of this depending on how long your hair is. Let's see. After shampooing, apply to damp hair, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse. So you just rinse it out. Very nice. Let's see. Is it safety sealed? No, not safety sealed at all. It smells good. You just rub a little bit out. You know, we've upgraded from rubbing in cleanser to rubbing in hair masks. I just want to see if it has a scent. Okay, it smells sweet. It smells sweet, but it has also that like typical hair mask scent. If you know what I mean? It smells like hair products. I feel like for different things, there's just like universal scents. And that definitely has one of those universal scents. All right, the next thing in here is by Strivectin and is the SD Advanced Plus Intensive Moisturizer for wrinkles and stretch marks. Definitely got a few of those since baby girl. And this is what it looks like. Itty bitty squeezy tube. Okay, it's not super itty bitty, but it's still itty bitty. Just a little squeezy tube. Do we got a safety seal? Yes, we finally have a safety seal. I want to see what this smells like. Put it on a different part of my arm. Okay, this is what it looks like. Just like a cream consistency. Just kind of rub that in. Ooh, this one smells almost like peppermint. Like that's what it smells like. Yeah, that smells like peppermint. That smells pretty good. Okay, excited to try that out. The next thing is by Kapari, and this is the Golden Ore Body Oil. Ooh, with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid. Very nice. This is super freaking cute. And I mean, an oil is gonna go a long way, so you don't need a whole lot. So this will last a decent amount of time. But are you safety sealed though? I mean, you have some kind of seal. I don't know what kind of seal that is, but it's definitely a seal. Oh, okay. I like that. It has like one of those little pop things where it goes into the hole. That way it doesn't seep out because like they said, it's an oil. Let me see and pour a little bit. See if it has like a scent. I just want the ittiest of bittiest. Okay. I'm just like going all the way up my arm. I think it's right here. This is where it is. Just kind of rub that in. Ooh, that smells good. Put it on the most awkward part of my arm. But yeah, that smells good. It's almost like a clean, sweet, almost vanilla-y kind of scent. Yeah, it has like a slight vanilla scent to it. But yeah, this is really nice. Very cute. And it has like the little gold in there. Can you see that? I think that's so cute. I wonder what the gold is supposed to actually do for your skin. Like, what does it do? All right, so the next thing is another itty bitty little squeezy tube. And this is by Lacombe. And this is the Absolve Cream Soft Cream. What do you do? Just like a cream? Just like a moisturizer cream? I don't know. Let's see. Safety seal? No. No safety seal. I guess I'll put it right here so it's a little bit easier to rub it in and smell it and all that stuff. This is very heavy on skincare. I haven't seen anything with makeup, but this is the consistency, just another cream. Meh. This one doesn't smell that good, but it does smell like bougie moisturizer. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word moisturizer. I mean, it's okay. Nothing to really write home about. I'm not too excited about it. I mean, it could be worse. It could definitely be worse. The next thing in here, is juicy. It's very juicy. And this is the SK2. I think that's how you say that, SK2. And this is like a facial treatment mask. It says you leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes. And yeah, It's just a cute little mask. This is a bougie brand. So I wouldn't be surprised if this singular mask was worth like $20 or something crazy like that. We'll definitely try this out in a
nighttime skincare routine that you really shouldn't do, but I'm gonna do anyways because I'm filming.
We're gonna bust this bad boy out at some point in time. I have so many face masks. It's ridiculous. The perfume, the perfume that they put in here is by Good Girl. And it's it's Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. And this is what the little outer thing is looking like. The inside is just a little vial. You know, the typical vial. I wish they would give us little itty bitty versions of this because I would keep those. You know what I'm saying? Like I would keep them. I would collect them. Get this little itty bitty thing. I'm going to spray a little bit and see if it smells good. Apparently you're not supposed to tap. You're supposed to just like wave your hands in the air like you really don't care. Smells like the Macy section. I don't like these. I don't like these super fancy perfumes. Like they're not for me. All right, it says the top, the notes. The top note is almond. The middle note is tuberose and jasmine. And the lower note is tonka bean and cocoa. I don't smell any of that. It just smells like the perfume section at Macy's. I'm good. I'm gonna see if my sister-in-law wants this because she likes fragrances like this. I'm gonna see if she wants it because I don't. I prefer more gourmand. Okay, I like things that smell like they taste good. That's the kind of fragrances I like. And for our extra special gifts, we got this cute little pouch. I think this is so cute. And it is satin. Very nice. Very bougie. And it's a beautiful pink. I love this kind of like nudie kind of pink where it's almost beige, but not really. I think it's so pretty. And y'all, we got some little eye masks. Not eye masks. It's one singular eye mask. And it's nice and stretchy, so it's gonna fit over all of our huge heads. This is very cute. Okay, I'm definitely gonna pop this in the washing machine before I use it because you never know where these things have been. So this is a really nice free gift and it's super soft, like super freaking soft. However, I will say this, I wish it was weighted. That's just like a personal thing. I've been researching or looking up weighted eye masks and apparently they are everything. So if they would have put a weighted one in here, bruh, it would have been over. Game over. Okay, flip. I really like this. I think it's a beautiful color, nice material. So it's a great gift to get. And of course, we get our little coupon, a little coupon. If you guys have been following my channel, you already know what I do with these. I will post my coupon in the community tab. And if you want to use it, first come, first serve. And if you want it, use it. If you don't, I don't really care. I would just rather somebody else get it if they're going to use it. That way you can save a little bit of coin. But this time it's just $5 off. So I will post this. That was everything in my Macy's box. This one was very skincare heavy. I would say this isn't my favorite, right? Like this isn't my favorite. I like when they give us makeup, okay? I like when they give us makeup, but is it bad? No. It's definitely worth more than that damn Birchbox, okay? I would take this over the Birchbox any day of the week. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all think this box was busting or you think it was busted? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section and I will see y'all with the next one. Wait, I didn't even do my whole spiel. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.